This is a local arecanut seed we can call. In hilly areas, this is the method I use to raise arecanut nursery or sapling we can call it. See, if you have decided to plant or make a arecanut and as an orchard or as a garden in the hilly areas, then in that hilly areas or in that hilly sloping place you have to raise the nursery. It would be easy to carry and to plant all the arecanut plants in nearby hill areas that you have selected for it. You have to make the arecanut kept horizontally so that the uh, bud will come easily or will not be rotten. So this is the way we use. Now it is almost finished. You see, on this 80 or around 100 only I have selected the arecanut, the best arecanut for making nursery. I have placed all the arecanut that I have brought here, so I am covering with a loose mat so that all the arecanuts are covered nicely. And if some persons by chance they come here, they won't notice that this is the arecanut nursery area or that some arecanuts are here inside the soil. So this is the way you have to cover it to protect from rainwash also. So now you have to cover all the arecanut seed nicely. The soil should be enough or it should be sufficient to cover all the arecanuts inside the row. So I make more mud or soil here. Now you see it's almost finished. You have to make it a little level or even by our legs so that the rain won't wash away easily all